Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. Yo! Good morning, fellas. It's early today. It is early. I'm on copy number 2. We got CPI coming out in 15 minutes. Man, it's just like we had volatility not too long ago. Let's jump on in, guys. Come on. Wake the hell up! It's time for more volatility. Long time no see, my friends. It's too early for this shit. Come on! Time for some volatility. Anyways, what's going on, guys? Well, we'll get hyped up. We'll get more hyped up in a little bit. I'm still over here drinking my coffee, waking myself up from yesterday's stream. Yesterday's stream was pretty dope. We caught that nice little move up on last night's stream. Can we get another one today? What is going to happen? Are we going to pump or dump? That's probably anyone's best guess. I think a lot of it comes down to the CPI print that's coming up in 14 minutes. Will we pump or dump? We have a lot of different opinions, right? Look at this poll over here. We did a pre-stream poll. Where does CPI come in, right? We got 200 votes on this bad boy. Above 6.5%, we got 35% of people think it. Below 6.5%, we got 39% of people. So pretty split down the middle. Which way is this way gonna go? Like I said, it's pretty sad that we have to watch this, right? If it's 6.6, we dump. But if it's 6.5, we probably go up. You can't make this shit up. That's the clown world that we live in 2022, that a 0.1 inflation changes everything. Now, my opinion, I think it comes in lower, right? And I have reasons for that. A lot of people think it's going to be coming in lower, a lot of smart people, but also true inflation came down like 0.7%. Is this totally accurate? We shall see. We shall see on this bad boy. But Trueflation back in November to December did come down a lot, like 0.7%. So we shall see, right? We shall see. This is exciting, and man, it's make or break day for BTC here. I mean, we know what we talked about yesterday. The charts look bullish. The charts look bullish, but what will happen today is going to, I think, set up the next trend until at least February 1st, because the FOMC meeting is not till February 1st. All right, so let's get some busyness. What do you guys say in the chat? Bajorn, Metallic, John said 6.3, 6.4. I would tend to agree, my friend, but obviously I have no idea. I'm just putting my best guess. I'm not trading this shit because I don't trade on days like this, guys. So I don't have any trades in at the current moment. I like to sit out at least until the end of the news. If we get like a 6.3, 6.4% CPI or some shit, I might look for a long later, but not right now, right? I want to avoid the volatility for now because you're going to get stopped out. But anyways, where are we looking at for Bitcoin, right? Let's look at upside and downside targets. If we pump, all right, let's start if we pump. The 0.618 retracement. So if we zoom out real quick, let's zoom out real quick. Let's go. If it comes in higher, that website's going to go in the trash can. Facts, Mike. You know you like Trueflation website. But no, guys, if we look down here, swing high to swing low, that 0.618 retracement comes in at 19,200. And I've been saying, I've been saying this consistently. I know that sounds crazy. But once again, if we were sitting down here at 16.5 and you would have said that we were at we got a pump to 18.5 within a couple days, you would have called me crazy too. So we hit my target. My target was 18K for this pump. So anything above this is gravy at this point, right? So 618 comes in at 19.2. And we sort of been saying, man, for the bulls, your case is you still got this vector candle sitting up here, right? There's still a lot of liquidity sitting up here at this vector from about 18,500 to about 20,600. I know that sounds impossible, but if the CPI is good today, I don't think that's impossible if we get a good reading. Now, if we get a bad reading, right? I think the market likes to react to these things, right? So if it comes in 6.6, 6.7, technically inflation did come down, right? And a normal bozo would say, stupid, right? Inflation came down. Why are we dumping? Right? But it's all about expectations, right? And I personally, once again, I would agree and I would say, stupid, right? Inflation came down. Why are we dumping? But that's what the market likes to do. So if we do dump, could we see Bitcoin come all the way back down to 17,300 to take all the liquidity to the downside? I also wouldn't rule that out. So, man, today, this morning is a big day. I think you could see a big move one way or the other here. Place your bets, put in your chips. If you are trading this shit, be careful, use a stop loss. Do not get wrecked today. Today's not the day to get wrecked, man. It's not the day to get wrecked. It's not the day to go to the casino and play in Vegas and put your odds on black or red. Today is to enjoy the madness. Wait for the trend to be found out, right? CPI is good, you got to trend up. CPI is bad, you got to trend down and ride the trend. But we don't got a trend. Oh, we do have a trend. The trend is currently to the upside in the short term, but we need to wait for today. Can we see Horse Guy? Mike, it is early as shit for Horse Guy, my man. It is early as shit. We might see him come out. He doesn't know that CPI today. I think he's still sleeping. Horse Guy. What do you think's going down today? Horse Guy? Let me wake up. Ooh, Jordan, what's going on? Ooh, Bitcoin pumped overnight? I've been sleeping since 6 p.m. I had a lot of hard work eating hay. I I think I will FOMO. This looks like a good place to buy Bitcoin. I could have bought down here for months, but I was scared. I was scared down here in November and December. Now looks like a great time to buy. There's no news events coming out today. I'm going to go long now. This seems like a good spot. What could go wrong? All right, I'll catch you guys later. We'll see what happens for my long. I think we're going to go to the moon. Look at this candle. I'm so confident right now. All right, anyways. Not making any moves until 10 p.m., 30 minutes after the announcement. Probably. Let's see. I'm going to keep refreshing Twitter and see what we got cooking here, my friends. Let's see what we got cooking. Hit the hay, horse guy. Hit the hay, horse guy. Hit the hay, horse guy. I like that. No pun intended. Hit the hay. All right. So we know we're looking at for Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, we're settling up here. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's go to like the 15-minute chart on BTC. We're still above our EMAs on the 15 minutes, though those can get smacked like a round of hot potatoes. You know? Some delicious coffee, man. Who's drinking coffee right now? Let me know in the chat. Who is drinking some coffee? And if you're drinking some coffee, oh man, we got a nice connection right now. We got a nice connection, right? Oops, not that one. Oh, no, not that one either. Who's drinking that coffee this morning? Who's feeling it? There we go. Look at all the coffee drinkers in the chat. Let's go, man. We're all waking up after last night. Shit. I was so tired after the stream last night, man. It was exciting. I'm not used to that type of excitement on the stream last night. I was going nuts for like 3 hours. I need to get back in shape, right? It's sort of like getting my mind and my voice back in shape, you know? Anyways, what else we got? Let's go check Ethereum real quick. Let's see what ETH's business is. So ETH last night did get back over the bear market resistance band, right? We bring up the bear market resistance band. The bear market resistance band's right here. ETH is now above that. The question is, what we've done this whole time, you got to be careful right here because this is where Ethereum has gotten dumped every single time in this bear market, right? It's been dump after dump after dump after dump. So we need to stress caution at this level, okay? It's okay to be a little bit cautiously optimistic, but you got to add the caution in there, okay? This is such a critical level for ETH that I'm so excited for today. Typically, this is where is Ethereum dumps. It's in a big pattern, right? It's up, down, up, down. I'm not a big pattern guy, but it does give you a sense of the volatility compressing here for Ethereum, ready to get a big volatile move here on so many different aspects, right? Now, if we zoom back in, ETH just kind of flagging out, right? Not really doing too much, just kind of flagging out before the CPI. Obviously, we know the big move up. My next target is 14,444. What a nice number, man. What a nice freaking number. Is that a nice number? I don't know. I know the magic numbers are 3, 6, 9, and 11. Those are the magic numbers here. Even though my favorite number is 13. Because 13 is where it's at. People hate 13, but 13's always been my lucky number in life. No, I'm looking up here for ETH at 14,444. If you do get a pump up, that is thy level. Why? We look left. That's all the way back here to ETH's previous all-time high, right? And that could act as a little bit of resistance, say, here in the short term. Yeah, we got 4 minutes, man. Countdown. We got the countdown in 4 minutes. Asia's asleep, so we can't play the Asia music. But what we can do this morning is get a little hype in the chat for Ethereum and Bitcoin. You know what I mean. Vikings! We have 4 minutes until the CPI print. We have fought for this day. Spam the swords. Spam the shields. This day can decide our fate. If you've lasted in the bear market and you want the little relief rally to continue, then we must fight. If you're new to the stream, this is where you type the sword and shield emoji in the chat, or you type swords and shields. Wake up! It's time to fight! Let's freaking go. I see all the Vikings in the chat. Come on! Come on, Vikings! Let's go! We're running out of time here. Come on, my man. Here we go. Boom! They're fighting right now. I see you guys fighting. I see you guys fighting on the screen. I see you guys fighting. Come on. Come on, man. All right, here we go. Bitcoin getting, we're starting the volatility here a little bit. Actually, not a lot of volatility pre-CPI here. Not a lot of volatility, my guys. Not a lot of volatility. Usually you see a pump or a dump right before, but you really haven't seen it yet, man. You kind of been chilling. You've been chilling like a villain here. This is the 15-minute time frame. I love it, man. Look at this. Look at the pumps. DJ said crypto rovers calling for a bull run. Oh man, you never know that's good. You know that's never good. I'm staying cautiously optimistic today. I will not get, you know, too overly bullish. But if this number comes out good, I gotta maybe be a slightly moon boy. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. All right, here we go. Here we go. We got 2 minutes. Let me refresh Twitter. Make sure nothing's popped up here. Let me do a little refresh. Right? You never know when this shit can come in, bro. This shit can come in hot and heavy. Sometimes it comes in a little bit early. I think one of the times it came in like 5 minutes early, and then boom. Right? I think we had a pretty massive dump like 5 minutes early. But let's see. Let's see. 18,271. Let's see what we got, guys. Trueflation 5.54. Yeah, Andrew, I saw that. You got like a 0.2% dip in one day. That was pretty awesome. It was going flat for like a week, and I was like, damn, this is probably not good for February CPI. And then 0.2% dump. There it is. All right, we're getting a little pump. All right, now we're coming back down. You gotta love this shit, man. You gotta love this shit. Here's the volatility. Here's the morning volatility. Let's get hype. Let's get hype. We got 1 minute. 1 minute, man. I think now is the time we got to get hyped. Let's get hyped. 1 minute to the CPI print. Here we go. Come on. All right, now we're getting a little dump. Oh! We're getting a dump. Now we're pumping again. Come on. Oh my volatility. Holy moly. We're going nuts right now. We got to tune in a little bit. Holy crap. Vikings, what are you doing? We got to push them back. This is not what we wanted. Pump and dump. And pump again. Come on. Pump, dump, pump, dump. Come on. 18,082. What we got on ETH over here? ETH's going nuts too. Yeah, ETH is going a little bit nuts. 6.5. All right, it's exactly what I expected. So do we pump or dump on expected? I don't know. Do we pump or dump on the expected inflation news? Which one do we do? Or do we go sideways now? I don't know. What do we do on the sideways CPI? 6.5. Holy Lord. What do we do, man? I don't know. I don't know. Is it actually 6.5? Let's see. CPI comes in at... Let me come over here. Where do we come over here? Do we pump or dump on the flat CPI? I don't know. I guess we probably go sideways. I would assume that that's good, right? Because the market was pricing in, you know, a pretty hefty expectation, and you met that pretty hefty expectation. I don't know what you do now. Profit taking as expected. True. Spy said dump it. 6.5 is kind of the worst, not worse or better. Now it kind of leaves you wondering, like, what do you do now? Let's see what you guys said. It was pretty split, right? Where does CPI come in? It ends up being right in the middle, 6.5%. Now we're seeing that volatility come in, right? Up, down, up, down. ETH came down a little bit, now coming back up. Is this chart broken here? Is this chart literally broken? All right, now we're good. We're good. Let's zoom in a little bit more. 5 minute chart. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's see. Al Duckworth said nothing changed. Continue with FOMO. Let's see how this initial... This is why I don't trade this shit, man, because you're going to get wicked out, right? Longs probably got, or shorts probably got wicked out here, maybe, and then longs got wicked out here. So you got pretty much tapped on both sides. Bitcoin tapped that ass on both sides. You know, now I'm confused. Now I don't know what we do today. I'm shocked. This is the most confusing aspect of the day. You know what I mean? This is very confusing. We came in exactly what everyone expected it to be, but the expectations were good. So I don't know. I don't know. I would assume that's good. I would assume that is good, better than bad. You know? Skillful said I was so excited. Hey, you always see this volatility in the first couple minutes, man. Let this shit rule out a little bit, you know? He's so all in. He's so all in. So ETH actually, in that little kerfuffle there, looks like ETH actually came back down, sucked up this liquidity to the downside. Let's see if it can pop back up now. Because with that little move down for ETH, right? You stopped out all those longs that came in right here. Now let's see if they bring it back up. And you sort of had a little excuse there to get that over with, and you pump it back up to the upside. Bitcoin, I mean, you came back down, you wicked right to the bottom of this 5-minute vector candle. Probably the 15-minute vector candle too. So you took that one. Now let's see what they do. I am shocked to see what they do here. Absolutely shocked. Maybe pull back to 17.6 and then pump. Could be, man. I would say 17.6 would make some sense because you do still have a bunch of liquidity down here to 17.6. So that would make a lot of sense. That would make a lot of sense. Let's do a quick little fib. Yeah, the 786 coming at like 17.5. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not calling for a dump here because Bitcoin keeps kind of doing this, right? And if you notice, we got 10 minutes into this 15-minute close. If you hold the 50 EMA, I don't think that's too shabby, right? It's a rise, retrace, continuation. And would I be surprised if they just smack it back up here again? No. But that really didn't give us too much on the CPI. But now we got the Fed speaking, I think. The Fed comes out and is going to speak at, let's see. Yeah, Fed President Harker speaking at 8:45 today. Bullard speaking at 11:30. And Barkin speaking at 12:40. So we got a whole lot of shies coming up today. DXY is dropping. That's what we want to see. That's the most important aspect. Look at the DXY. Look at the DXY dropping today. This is the most important thing right here, man. This is what's important. Bitcoin volatility, okay. It's going to go up and down in these news. But this is the big kicker right here, man. Look at this. DXY breaking that 103 level that we wanted to break. Is 101 on the way for the DX whistle? That's exactly what I want to see. Good call out for the person in the chat. That's what I'm talking about, my man. That's what I'm talking about. I woke up for this shit. I woke up early for no good news. This is ridiculous, man. Ridiculous. Bob's pissed. Horse guy's in shambles right now. I think he already got stopped out. All right, Bitcoin now coming back up. See, we held that 50 EMA. Now we're coming back up. Let's see what we got. Right? We rose, retrace. That's what I'm freaking talking about, man. You'll probably see a lot of altcoins starting to wick back up too now. Let's see. Yeah, look at Chili's. Chili's rise, retest the 50 EMA. Come on, man. Let's see. We got Gala. Oh, man. Look at Gala. Look at the Gala chart, man. Rise, retrace. And you look at that wick off the 50 EMA. Bitcoin's 18.2. We're pretty much right where we started the stream. You know, this is always what happens. You pump and dump and you end up at the same place that you started most of the time. Let's see the stock market futures. What do we got? What we got stock market futures here? Look at the futures, man. This gets me a little bit nervous today. This gets me a little bit nervous because this has been the point where the stock market has dumped every single time. And when the stock market dumps, usually Bitcoin does too. This makes me very nervous today, right? I'm being cautiously optimistic, right? I am still optimistic, but I'm being very cautiously optimistic because look at where the S&P's coming up to, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. S&P's coming up to that downtrend of resistance. This could be the point where you roll over, so you got to be careful. But I will say, if this does break, the monthly's looking good on the S&P. We'll talk about that more in tonight's stream. Today, more of a short-term volatility stream. But this is interesting to see what the S&P does here today, guys. Very, very interesting. Place your bets, right? I mean, we're sort of at that point in the market where you gotta place your bets here, right? Trend has been down, still a bear market until proven otherwise, but you got some good things that are popping up, I would say. Well, let's see what we got. 18150 DXY. This is the biggest thing for me. Is it DXY finally breaking through there? But we'll see. We'll see. John said crash coming. Could be, man. Could be. This is where it would happen. If it was going to happen based off history, this is when it would happen, right? We have the 2000, we have the 2008 fractals. This is when a dump would happen if it was going to happen, you know? Let's see. Guys, when is Fed talking? Got any links? 8:45. I think the first guy's talking. It's 8:30. You're probably going to see spikes up and down today because you also have the jobs report that came out, I think. Initial jobless claims. Yeah, so CPI came in flat. Core CPI looks like it came in 0.3%. And then you had jobless claims, 205,000. So you had pretty much the whole plethora of shit come in this morning, man. So jobs looks like it came in less than expected, which you know, I mean, the market can take that either way. You never know with the jobs, man. You know, Rodney, what's going on? Reset stock market doesn't matter anymore. BTC decoupled from markets on November 7th. Because of the FTX dump, I still would argue that the S&P is, Bitcoin's still correlated to the S&P. I would say it's too early to say it's decoupled. It decoupled because the FTX dump, right? Where the stock market went up, Bitcoin went down. But I think it's still going to be coupled. I think saying it's decoupled is a little bit too soon, even though you sort of know my take on Bitcoin versus the SPX, and how I've been saying that I think Bitcoin's going to outpace the SPX. And look at this arrow. Look at this damn arrow. We said let's check this in a few months. Look where the damn arrow comes in, right here at the 786. You guys were spitting on my chest, and Bitcoin continues to outpace the S&P. And I believe this is going to break out within the next couple of weeks, in my personal opinion. So place your bets, man. Place your bets. Bitcoin will continue to outpace the S&P in 2023. We've been saying it. We've been saying it. And it's going to continue to play out, in my personal opinion. Is it decoupled? I still think if the S&P goes up, Bitcoin will go up. If the S&P goes down, Bitcoin will go down. But I think we're at that point where Bitcoin's going to outpace the S&P. You might disagree, but that's my thought process. Rudy said, dump it. Dump it, boy. Let's see. So all right, futures just, look what the futures just did. Futures just went up and tapped that resistance right here. Boom. Tap that resistance right here. And getting a little bit of move down. You probably see Bitcoin also getting moved down from that point. And Ethereum also moving down a little bit. So seeing some initial, nice little initial volatility there, man. Time Traveler chart hacks. Let's see. Nope, we gonna go down one more time. Maybe we do, but maybe we don't. You gotta have a plan both ways. Do you have a plan both ways? Because we knew today was gonna be choppy. We knew today could be pumpy or dumpy. Do you have a plan? If Bitcoin decides to say no and continue up here, do you have a plan? If BTC says yes and continues down, do you have a plan? If you don't have a plan, well, you shit out of luck. You shit out of damn luck. All right, now we're just kind of chilling here, waiting for BTC because it did wick down, right? It was starting to form that M formation on the 1 hour, but it sort of wicked back up. Now you want to see, okay, is Bitcoin going to break that M formation low here? As long as it holds right there, right? 18.8 on an hourly close. I guess there's not really too much to worry about or to get excited about. You're sort of just ranging sideways here. If you know what I mean, Jelly Bean. S2K said we're going to go down. I mean, my target was 18K, right? That was my target from down here. I said, okay, you're getting squeezed below the 50 EMA and this upward sloping trend line. You did get that move up and you guys were spitting on my chest. Spitting on my damn chest to the move to the 100-day moving average, okay? That's where we paid ourselves. If you didn't pay, if you're long from down here and you did not pay yourself, what are you doing? Take profits, man. It's okay. It's okay. You can't go broke taking profits. So yeah, we took some profits here at 18K. Now the rest is gravy. You know what I mean? At this point, any move up higher from here is absolute freaking gravy train. All right, you got some resistance here at this previous wick right here from December 14th. We love taking those wicks, man. We love taking those wicks. But I can't seem to shake the fact that Bitcoin still got this vector candle up here, man. It's still got some liquidity to the upside to take, right? All the people that shorted the FTX dump, they got a free ride down. They got that free ride. I don't know. I still am optimistic that Bitcoin's going to get this move up here and take this liquidity to the upside. I know everyone's going to say no dump. Listen, the people that think it's going to go down, it's because they're short or they didn't buy down here, okay? The people that want it to go up, people that are holding crypto or long. Let's be honest. You know, I can always tell someone's bias based off what they talk about. Do I want the price to go up? Yes, but I'm not going to hide from that, okay? I'm not going to hide from that. To me, this chart still looks bullish. If we're just looking at the chart, this chart looks bullish, right? You got a beautiful W formation. You're right at that neckline. You got liquidity to the upside to take. I don't see why, at least on the chart, you know, charts are charts. I mean, you guys will argue that way, but why this doesn't continue up? Can you get a little short-term pullback? Yeah, but does a short-term pullback really matter? No, it doesn't matter. Can you pull back to 17.6 or some shit like that, right? Take this liquidity to the downside, make a higher low, and then come up? I mean, yeah, sure. Sure you can. And you have all the bears scream, oh, dump, dump, you know? But in reality, they're all crying inside. They're all crying inside. Why are they crying inside? Because, you know why? Their nut sacks are really small, okay? They're like squirrels. They go and collect nuts. But the problem with bears is they can't open nuts because their hands are too big. You know what I mean? But their nuts are so small that they can't open those damn nuts. So now they have to sort of wait and sit here and say, damn, that daily chart does kind of look bullish. Do I have to try to open these nuts with these big hands, even though my nuts are super, super small? Probably. Probably they do. But we'll see. We'll see. Anyways. That's about where we're at. No nuts, no glory. No nuts, no glory, my man. Come on, BTC. Just pump it up higher, man. I want nothing more than to troll more. Nothing more than to troll. Can we please troll? You know? There's two favorite words are calling double top. Double top? Bro, I hate when people say double top. Rant alert. I hate when people say double top or double bottom. Yes, I just had a little man temper tantrum. I hate when people say that. Why do I hate when people say that? You can call a double top anywhere. There's always going to be a resistance point where you can call double top. That's the dumbest point. Any move up, when it gets to resistance, you can call double top. No shit, dumbass. Stupid. Right? Anything is a double top going to resistance. Think about it. If it goes to resistance once and then resistance again, it's a double top. Stupid. Right? I mean, let's be real. Anything's a double top. I hate that. Give me something else. Okay, you got a double top and something else. Not just say double top, bro. Double top, double top. I'll show you what double top. You're just mad because you never got double top. Yeah. Oh, man. Anyways. Triple top. Thank you. Everything's a damn double top. Everything's a double bottom. It's like, Christ. Lord, man. It's too early for me to be flipping out right now, guys. I don't want to be flipping out. You know what I'm saying? Definitely a double top. Dude, this daily chart looks bullish as hell. You might be saying, but Jordan, the daily RSI is bearish. Okay, yeah. If you said that over here, you would have missed this whole move up. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like, cool. I mean, stock RSI is cool. RSI is cool, but I think we all forget sometimes when Bitcoin wants to move up, it does not give a shit about that. It doesn't. You know what I mean? And sometimes I have to even tell myself, dude, Jordan, just ignore the damn daily RSI. Because if I was looking at this all the way back from January 6th, I would have thought Bitcoin was going to dump all the way back down here. If I was looking at the stock RSI and saying, stock RSI Okay, yeah, cool. Maybe it dumps from here, but that's not the reason why I would do it. You know what I mean? Christ, dude. Let's see. Nice nut analogy. Thank you. The bears have small nuts. I mean, what can I say? They have very, very small nuts. Jordan talks in his sleep. I do. Double top. I remember Costa Rica. Double top my ass, Lifa. Counter trade me. No, I'm just kidding. Lifer, I think Lifer's a little bullish right now too. I can see it in his super chat. He's very, very bullish right now. Lifer doesn't have small nuts right now. Lifer's got nuts of a freaking. He's got the nuts of a freaking squirrel right now. He doesn't got the nuts of a bear. He doesn't got those nuts of a bear. He is feeling it right now. He is ready to go long at a back test. But will Bitcoin get a pullback? I don't know. We shall see, my man. All right, Ethereum. Look at that liquidity grab, man. Came back down, took that liquidity, now coming back up. I don't see why. Ah, man, the E chart gets me going, dude. It gets me freak. Look at the retest of the EMAs. Come on. Look at Ethereum keeps doing the same damn thing over and over again on this whole run. Guys, just look at the 1 hour chart for Ethereum. Look at this. The move has just been long to 30 and 50 EMAs over and over and over again. Look at the trend. Unfortunately, I'm streaming, so I couldn't do it. But you got retest of 30 and 50 EMAs. Pump, retest, pump, retest, pump, retest, pump, retest. What's going to come now? I don't know. If I had to guess, probably the same thing that's happened the whole move up. Until you break these, there's nothing to get too upset about, right? You're not flipping out going, oh my God, we're going to dump. You're not people making these freaking thumbnails saying, crash incoming. No. Okay, you can call a crash coming, but tell me from where. You tell me a crash coming is great, but you got to give me a price point. How do people react to a crash coming without giving them an entry point? I can sit here and say crash coming for 2 weeks. Right? And if it happens, okay, I'm smart, but did you have an entry point into that for the crash? Probably not. You're just calling crash coming for 2 weeks. You know what I mean? It is what it is. It is what it is. Excuse me, man. Excuse me. I'm coughing on the bear's tears. Cool, man. Cool. Altcoins are not securities. Anyways, let's check out some altcoins. I'm sort of flipping out. I'm flipping out this morning, man. The DXY dumping is the best sign for today, I think. The DXY breaking that 101 level, which was very, very big, right? Looking left, that was the 2016 high. That was the March of 2020 high. Nice. 1, 2. You broke those 2 levels, man. I actually thought you were going to bounce from here. In the DXY. At least go sideways. DXY said, Nope.
Stupid.
And it just dumped back down to the lows, right? A lot of these altcoins are probably going to look pretty good now. Gala coming back up. Let's check out some of these alts here. Look at Sol. Oh, man. Sol with the nice back test. Sol looks really, really nice. Right? I mean, Sol keeps doing the same thing too. Rise, retrace, flag out, move up. Rise, retrace, flag out. Once again, you got some news today, so you're gonna have some volatility. You're gonna have some wicks, and you're gonna have some wicks and dicks. I don't know why I wanted to say that. You're gonna have some wicks and dicks, okay? And yes, I did say that, guys. Get over it. Wicks and dicks. That's the new saying. Guess the only ones that are sorting that should be getting the dicks are these guys. Boom, bitch! Kicking in the nuts. But Sol. Retrace the 30 and 50, and looking for that nice little back test and continuation up on Solana there. I think we had. Where's my little chart, man? Thing's gone. I mean, am I crazy for thinking Sol can go up to $27? There's nothing here, dude. All right, maybe you stop here again, but like you go back to like the 4 hour chart. Look at this. There ain't no resistance all the way up to 27. It's straight move down, and if you go all the way back in like 2021, it was a straight move up. There's nothing there. Sol gets me kind of horny, not gonna lie. Gets me a little bit horny up in this bitch. You know what I mean? I bought some Sol at $9. Nice, dude. I'm very, very proud of you. Very, very proud of you, man. I'm so proud of you for buying Sol at $9. You absolutely killed. You killed it. You killed it. You killed it. Killed it. Sushi. Look at sushi, man. Another one. Another one. Another one. We need the DJ Khaled meme in here. Another one. Let's retrace. Continuation. Retrace. Come on, baby. Give me that little sushi. Give me that sushi. Ah, man, this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. And I look up, where can we look at sushi, man? Where can we look at sushi? We can look at little old sushi back up here to this liquidity to the upside. And I mean, these next highs, this sounds crazy, but I will say once again, if at the lows, if you were bearish, I saw a lot of people at 16,500. I'm not going to name names because I'm going to be nice today. But I saw a lot of people bearish at 16,500. And if you said where we're at now, you would have, you got, some of you guys were calling me a dumbass. A dumbass, bro. But I saw a lot of thumbnails bearish at 16.5, calling for 14K instantly. You would have called me crazy. Once again, I don't think it's crazy to say sushi can go up to 142. I don't think that is crazy. Let's actually check the stock. Stock market still just chilling. This is the one thing that gets me a little bit hesitant today, is the stupid S&P. We need the S&P to get some juice here. We need the S&P to get some damn juice. We definitely need that. But sushi looks like it's loaded up here. All right, sushi, you're actually getting to move up live here. Live. Come on. 113. Let's see. Nick said these alts are not even higher than 3 days ago. That sounds like cope, my man. That sounds like cope. It's okay to admit you were wrong. To me, that sounds like cope. That you missed the move. It's okay. It's okay, my man. You know what I mean? You don't have to say here alts are barely higher. Okay, you can say that. I think that's slightly cope. Just my opinion. If you want to cope, you do you. But listen, man. If I'm wrong, I'll say I'm wrong, and I'll take it. I will take that. But that sounds. Here's the two biggest bear copes. You're barely even higher, bro. And zoom out. Those are the two biggest bear copes. Okay, I mean, I can do that. That doesn't change the fact that prices are going up and you missed the move. I don't know, man. It sounds like cope to me. That's what it does. Proud Gunner said, I've been in Gala Gold member for a year. A Gala Gold member. Nice. Nice. BTC knocking on the 18.3 door. Yeah, here we go. 18,300. Come on, BTC. Give me a little move. Guys, I will say, stress caution, though. Because here's the thing. Like, if it was just for the Bitcoin charts, I would be bullish as hell right now. But this one makes me nervous. Right here makes me super, super nervous. But here we go. Let's see. If Bitcoin breaks 18.3, I mean, you got the 618 retracement, which is at, hold on, I think this got jacked up. Yeah, why did this does this ever happen to you guys where you have a fib on the chart and it gets squeezed down for no reason? It's like, why did it get squeezed, bro? You know? Let's go here. Yeah, we have the 618 retracement, which is at 19,200. So we'll see if it does it right now. This still could be a pullback area, but 618 retracement is where I'm looking at right there. That sweet golden pocket. We love the golden pocket, man. You know what I think we need right now? I think we need to wake up. I think we need to wake up a little bit because I'm falling asleep. I'm falling asleep over here. I think we need to wake up just a little bit. Here we go. Come on. Let's wake up a little bit. Look at ETH! He said, horse guy is prophetic. Horse guy is probably going nuts. Come on, ETH. Look at that wick on ETH, bro. You got wicked out on ETH. Ray trace of 30 and 50. Come on, ETH. Give me a little juice here, baby. Give me a little juice on ETH. That's a nasty wick. The good thing about that wick, though, is you came back down. You took this big liquidity candle right away. So now you don't have to worry about that. Now you're sort of, okay, well, we can continue up from here. Oh, excuse me. Which is really, really nice. Like, you quickly got that over with. You know? Let's see. Let's see. BB in the chat. BB! We got BB in the chat. What's going on, my man? Keep killing it in the gym. I see you over there. Killing it. Keep freaking killing it, my guy. Anyways, I have this song copyrighted. Please take down. Crypto Arbitrage, you don't have this song copyrighted. If it was already copyrighted, you could have already flagged me, my man. Come and flag me. Flag me, I dare you. Come in this bitch. All right. So, ETH came back down, took that liquidity off the 30 and 50 EMAs. Still looking for 14,444. I guess no, 14,44. 14,44. You know? Robert Chu is sleeping. Hey, man. Keep sleeping. 18,299. The bears right now are coping. Here's the bears right now. Should we do a flashback of the bears? Get kicked in the nuts, bitch. Oh, man. They are coping right now. Zoom out, man. They keep saying zoom out. Stock market. The last juice for me is the stock market breaking out. DXY dumping. I see. I can't get bearish with the DXY dumping like this. I cannot be bearish with the DXY breaking that 103 level. It's coming to 101. It is coming to 101. I don't see why it doesn't come to 101. You know what I mean? All right. Some of the altcoins are kind of just chilling, man. They're kind of just chilling. Uniswap's getting a pump. Here we go. 613 on Uni. Are we looking for Uni? And Uni's very simple, man. You're coming up to these previous highs. Right? 638 on Uni. Look at the 1 hour's just crossing up, bro. The 1 hour just tapped that 30 EMA. Just got that 1 hour stock cross. That was perfect. I don't see why you don't come to 638. Come on. Get up there, bitch. Let's see. Optimism. Look at Optimism. Wick down, right? Took that liquidity to the downside. You stopped out all those shorts down there. Boom. Stopped them all out. Got tossed right back to the upside. Once again, right off the 30 and 50 EMA. Crossed. You know, at least the retest of the highs. 140. Man. This is good shit. This is some good shit. This is like your classic little cup and handle, right? Cup. Back test the 30 and 50 EMAs. Now you just need to see that little continuation there, but that's a nice little move there too, man. I can't wait to see when the real recession hits soon. Hey man, we're enjoying the green candles while we have them. We don't know how long this is gonna last. Let's soak it in. Let's enjoy it while it's here. Okay, let's soak it in and enjoy it while it's here. But where do we need Bitcoin to come back up to? Is Bitcoin might be at? Let's see. So look where Bitcoin's at right now, guys. And you guys were calling me crazy a couple weeks ago saying that Bitcoin could get back over the bear market resistance band 64 weeks before the halving. You guys were spitting on my chest for this too. You were spitting. Now, all of a sudden, though you still got some headwinds here, you're very, very close, man. This is awesome. This is awesome. And really, what was the Kickstarter of it? It was this downtrend of resistance on the RSI. Finally breaking out in the first week of January. RSI breaks out, price action usually follows. Sometimes it takes a little bit, but there you go. RSI breaks out, price action follows. All of a sudden, right, what seemed impossible is only... If this plays out, this is one of the best calls I've ever made. It's one of the most ballsy calls I've ever made. But This spans from 18,400 up to 19,200. You only need to go up another $900. What's that? $900. That's pathetic. So we'll see. Why is it 64 weeks before the halving till you get back over the bear market resistance band? Well, every cycle, 59 weeks, it took in last cycle from halving to you reclaim the bear market resistance band. 54 weeks, 2 cycles ago. Okay, notice the trend, -5, -5. And you would guess it, 49 weeks in this one right here. From halving to above the bear market resistance band. So it's 5 more weeks every single time. 5 more weeks every single time. But there we are, man. All of a sudden, it's not so crazy, no? Still might not happen, right? I mean, nothing's guaranteed. But all of a sudden, you're there. You're there, and you set up for the little thing. Let's see. Christopher Reed said, that's the trick. They will say we are already in a recession. Even Jamie Dimon says saying things not so bad now. I mean, listen, man, if 2023, who knows what, we went into this year not knowing what's going to happen. I will say this, though. If 2023 doesn't end up being a bad year, it will be the biggest fake out of all time. Because everyone was expecting 2023 to be a shit show. That would be the biggest fake out of all time. No one was buying at the end of 2022 because everyone's going into 2023 thinking it's going to be a shit show. Recession, bad and dumb. Still could happen, guys. We're not out of the woods. Trust me. We're not out of the freaking woods. I think it's still more likely that you do see another big dump at some point. It might be from a higher price point, so you might not make a new low, right? Bitcoin can go to 20K, something like that, 25K, and then dump back down to like 18 or some shit like that. But that would be the biggest fake out of all freaking time, if that is the case. And it would be so symbolic of the herd not knowing shit, right? When the news starts talking about bad, when the news starts talking about recession incoming, when everyone, when the little guy on Twitter, right, pops in and starts going, recession's coming, right? I know a recession's coming. Right? And when the little guy on Twitter starts talking about it, will it happen? I don't know. Even Jimmy with the stimmy knows about the recession incoming. You know what I mean? We'll see. We have no idea, right? I'm not calling for anything. I'm riding out this year. 2023 is the accumulation year. That is. It's the accumulation year. Most people won't do it. But it is what it is. If we know about history, even if things dump, they come back pretty damn quick. Every single time. 2000, 2008, okay, yeah. Prices were back at all-time highs within a year of like a year or two of hitting the bottom. You know what I mean? Like, okay, cool. We dumb? All right, cool. But most people don't buy it until you get back to all-time highs. That's the issue. Crypto Arbitrage said, buy the resistance. I ain't buying no resistance, man. I ain't buying no resistance. I DCA, but I do it in a smart way. I DCA at smart levels, not just, okay, I'm going to buy now because it's my DCA day. No. Let's see. What's your TA on coffee this morning? The coffee was pretty good. I put a little extra scoop of coffee in there because I wanted to get jacked up a little bit. And it seems to be working. I'm pretty jacked up right now. I'm feeling pretty nice. I'm feeling a little trolly for tonight's stream, I'm not going to lie. And when Jordan feels trolly, you know what goes down. You know what goes down when Jordan feels trolly. Good things do not go down when Jordan feels trolly. Let's see. MVK, so was that really you on Twitter that DM'd me? No, it's fake. It's fake. I don't DM anyone on Twitter. That's fake. Twitter, Instagram, anything like that. Do not message the imposters. I will never message you. That's how you know that things are getting bullish again, when the imposters start coming back. It's been a long time since you have imposters. You know? I'm sure like some of the bigger people like BB or George, they got imposters even in the bear market. I got no imposters in the bear market. Now we got imposters back. It's bullish. That is super bullish. Let's see. Rip to Crypto Banter telling everyone to sell BTC. Yeah. I'll leave my comment out on that one. We troll a little bit. We'll probably troll later. If Bitcoin ends up going up more, we'll troll later. But for now, let's be careful right here, though. I don't want to get too overzealous until I see the S&P crack this resistance. We got 23 minutes into the stock market open, and the DXY kind of just continues to lag here. So good stuff going into the market open. I'll say that. Don't need the extra scoop to get jacked up. Sometimes I do need the extra scoop. I do. Let's see. Alts are kind of chilling at the moment. Alts are chilling, but they all got nice setups. They're just kind of chilling, I guess, waiting for BTC's next move. What will it be? What will it be? Place your bets. They all kind of look the same. They all look the same. They all just back tested the 30 and 50 on the hourly. All hourly stocks are bottomed out. And they're all kind of sitting right at the highs. Kind of like Bitcoin, actually. Almost the exact same as Bitcoin, right? Quick to the 30 EMA. Now kind of just sitting at the highs. Waiting for that next move. Which move is it going to be? That's the fun old question. Look at Ethereum, though, man. Ethereum just sitting above that bear market resistance band. Sitting right at this downtrend of resistance on the weekly. What will play out? Let's just put the salt shaker on for a second. Ah, man. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You got the Bears need some cope? Okay, let's give them some cope. Bears. As you know, it is still a bear market, right? Just zoom out. Zoom out. That's all the cope that you need. Look at the weekly time frame. And just look all the gains that you think you made, but you really didn't. Just look. Because did you short it? You probably didn't. But that's okay. I know you sold at 15,500. I know you did. And I know you tried to short the low because everyone was calling recession at 15,500. But that's okay. Once again, next time, you will get them. Okay? And you might make some profits next time. Because quite frankly, do you even know how to short? Probably not. But next time, when you see the next dip, you can buy it. Okay? Just put it out there. Just zoom out. Zoom out. The weekly looks good. All right. Oh, man. All right, let's take this off. Salt. All right, anyways. We got some work to do, my friends. We got some work to do on the stream. All right. I think that will do it for the morning stream. Just wanted to stream the CPI and get some volatility in here. Honestly, nothing really changed. As truly as I'm being, nothing really changed. We got some stuff to work at today. Will the DXY continue to dump? Will the S&P break this resistance? Will Bitcoin and altcoins bounce off the 30 and 50 EMAs? That'll be the big question that we got here. Okay. If Bitcoin breaks up, to me, there's nothing until 19,200. There's nothing there. Bitcoin breaks down. Looking for probably a little retest, 17.6, the bottom of this vector here, or even down to 17.3. To me, because I always like to give my thoughts, right? I don't hide behind it's going to go up or going to go down. I'll tell you exactly what I think is going to happen. Okay. I think Bitcoin might ponder here for a little bit. Everyone's going to be expecting a pullback, just like this whole move up. Okay. It might dump, but maybe the Fed says something a little bearish. Okay. It might dump back down here. The bears will be screaming dump. I think Bitcoin ends up just coming up and blasting through there. That's my thought process for today. Because I'm not going to hide behind it and go up or go down. That's one of the biggest BSs that I think is on YouTube. But I will be out of here. And I'll catch you guys tonight where either Bitcoin's still consolidating in this range or it already broke out. But it could, like I said, it could just kind of settle here for a little bit. But I still think that max pain is up. I still think it is. And we're going to be coming for, now that CPI was as expected, right? It wasn't bad. I still see this liquidity up here in the daily, and I think we come and take this. That's my thought process. Maybe I'm wrong, but if I'm wrong, I'll eat it. I won't hide behind the mask of it can go up or it can go down. All right, later, peace, and peace and love. See you guys at 7 p.m. tonight. Don't stare at the charts all day, even though I will be. And don't do anything I do. Don't pay so you crypto almost what the figures go. But don't be afraid to take profits in the bear market rallies until proven otherwise. If you're in some longs, don't be afraid to pay yourself. We already hit our targets. It's gravy from here. Peace. And let's get some hype in the chat while I'm gone. Here we go.